This is a very rudimentary guide on how to open a built-in gas stove, for example, to replace the spark plugs or other repairs. The specific stove we are going to consider is this Pelgrim stove. It was installed in May 2010, almost 14 years ago. Steps: be sure to reference the manual and or contact the manufacturer before starting. Please plan ahead, just do it. Now onto the actual steps. Close the gas line and test the stove to make sure it is in fact closed. Unplug the stove from electricity. Unscrew the burners and remove the knobs. Now gently lift the glass panel. It may be sticking a bit because of the sealant on the outer perimeter of the glass panel. You now have access to the inside of the gas stove. Pro tip: mark the edges corners of the glass panel, such that you can place it back in the exact same position. You can use tape, for example, as I have done. Now, in this concrete example, this was not necessary since the stove was firmly inside the hole in the countertop, but this need not be the case. Tips to replace the spark plugs or bougies. If you need to replace one, consider replacing them all, or at least having a spare. In my case, during the replacement, another one broke right in my hands. In this case, the spark plugs are held in place using small clips. Be gentle with these, since they apparently break easily. Consider unplugging the spark plug on the other end of the wire. This will give you slack and makes it easier to maneuver. This is because space may be tight inside the stove. Thanks for watching.